In the previous video, I said instead of making 4 of these star blocks, I was going to make 9, which I did. And I also said I was going to do some snowball corners, and I didn't feel like doing that. And I said I was going to, when I added the stars to it, I said I was going to make the stars bigger, but I don't feel like adding the stars. I want to add like some strips on this side and the bottom for each block, but I don't. This is all of the background I have left, and I will not have enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew. I'm gonna kind of rearrange these blocks and sew them together. This is just some of the leftover strips I had left over, and I'm going to sew these together for to make the border. Plus, I'm gonna cut some strips out of these to make the border also. I think I might have did too much, but we'll see. And I have enough of the strip left over to go around it one more time. I was thinking about adding one more border, but I think I'm just gonna leave it alone. So right now this measures 97 by 97.